That's it. Cap. Nice.
I see you, John.
There you go. That's
Those victory dudes are just ridiculous.
Right, I'm here with Evan and Chase. We're here at the Chewjitsu Open, and I just wanted to get a little bit of pre-match vibes from these guys, see how they're feeling, see how the warm-ups went, and just get the temperature of the room here. Let's start with Chase first.
I'm scared to death. I've got to go with this guy at some point today, and that's not fun because he's like wrestling a really strong octopus. So scared would be the overall, terrified possibly, but definitely scared. Confident, but scared.
Chase also ran a 5K this morning, so it's awesome.
Don't give him more credit than he needs.
How you feeling, Evan?
I ran a 5.01K this morning, so
Just had to win it.
I'm feeling good. I feel good. It was really exciting to watch the kids this morning. They did great. I got heavy hitters in our bracket. We got a few guys from Memento coming through. I'm equally as terrified of Chase, and so my goal is to
What's your goal, bro? Tell me the whole game
to
plan.
see
Like, let's
that
do it.
fear and just be a little bit crazier than me.
Okay, I like it.
Just Hail Mary. Just
I like it. I like it. I think I'm most excited to watch our younger guys. Like, they're maybe less seasoned guys. Like, I know we have a bunch of white belts that are going to go and blue belts. And I always like watching those guys, just like I like watching the kids. Like, I like to compete, but it's more fun to watch the guys that you train with succeed.